Hey guys, me Misha. Let's check out more stocks for tomorrow. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. You remember my new advancement? 1 year. 1 year, that's right. 1 year chart. So now, technically, not only I have 3 time frames for investment trades, I also can do, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but I can also do a super investment trades. I can trade with monthly now. This kind of, no, kind of. My acting coach didn't allow us to say kinda. Every time I say kinda, he would yell at me, no, kinda. So, but yeah, I can trade of the monthly chart now. Isn't it cool? Yeah, so technically that was a transitory extremum. However, it's gonna break, so. Yeah, that's where we are at. And yeah. Yeah. Grind's lower for now. Why do I even like? Yeah, it's no continuation of the trend no more. It's a full-blown correction. And that's the max trading view you can do. 12 months is the widest it can go. There are stocks out there, I think, that can actually show some wave movement on a 10-year chart time frame. It's gonna be like Warren Buffett style. You see what a beautiful what a beautiful balance it is. It was going up, starting from here, broke it up, was going, and then it was in the balance since 2014. And now again, with the volume, it's springed. Oh, it has 2 months to go. I'll have to get used to this new dynamic. Yeah, like this. So now it looks different. doesn't change much, but yeah, it's crawling out of low 79, low. Technically it went lower here, so it broke. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, to do super trend change. So it's more like this now, rather than anything else. And then this will make sense. See what I'm saying? Booms. It's right there. It's right there. This looks like it. Look at this volume. Boom, up thrust. So, spring. There was no volume in T1, and then unvolumed spring. Up thrust, I'm sorry, and then spring, and then up thrust again, and then dune. A nail in the coffin. This was a nail in the coffin. It actually gives us like a really interesting insights. You see? Doesn't look that positive anymore. Doo-doo. You see how it changes? Unvolumed upthrust does like multiple bar manipulation rather. It needs levels. I gotta be like super careful. You don't need this thing on daily to. Yeah, it's enough. We have it on monthly, so. Yeah, it's not continuation of the trend anymore. It's in 0.5. And yeah, we still need to do it on daily. So yeah. I'd rather expect a reversal. You see how like everything changes? There's still long. It's more like short now. It needs a level on monthly though. It needs a level on monthly. How this whole thing unleashed here? Was transition extremum and lower, and broke above. So that would be more appropriate charting here. Yeah, that's how it was. I think in this case, these volumes are like really close, so it's bigger. It is bigger, and it bounced to it. Okay. Yeah, it bounced to it. changes the direction and goes to 0.5 immediately. Immediately. Yeah. It's interesting. I think it's gonna go down. Just don't have, we need a monster level here. WBM. WMBM, sorry. So yeah, like everything start making much more sense with hourly, sorry, with yearly. Look at this. Wow. Was it balanced right from here and then it came down here? This is unbelievable. And then tell you what, it's still a balance. I want to chart it just because of how cool it is. Just because of how cool it is. Look, I did this balance here. And it never came out of this balance. It's unfreaking believable. From 70s, you guys. Can you believe it? Now we're like talking long term. It's a balance. It's unbelievable. But this is, my friends, is a balance. It needs to close the month above so that we identify a close above and move the level. But it is what it is. It's freaking it's .com bubble. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. And it's volume top thrust. Look at it, but it didn't go. It didn't go. Volume top thrust. And volume spring. This is so cool. Okay, now that looks different. Now the whole thing looks different. Yeah. It doesn't change much on daily though. Still level. There was a level here. So yeah. Best Buy. What are we gonna do with this guy? Best Buy. Looking down. Looks down. Same deal. Let's fix it. This is gonna be so cool, you guys. I was meant to do it a long time ago. I'm glad my mentor finally did it. Scrolling up, up. And again, did it hit the balance? No, it didn't hit the balance here, so up, 1 bar rule. So we are here now. Is this guy. Oop. we're here now with this guy. Yeah, see, this is and one bar rule, so the biggest volume here was this actually, and then that's this was a 2-bar correction, so you're right in 0.5. This is our sign of strength. It still holds with 0.5 above it, so 0.5 also works. I think it's beautiful. I think this is sexy. Tell me it's not. Tell me it is not. It doesn't help us much, like right here. I still have, and it's 2-bar rule, and that's the biggest. That's the biggest volume. So that's our sign of strength. Right at 0.5. Right at 0.5. Interesting. And don't forget that was a correction. It overcame 0.5, but so often it just goes a little bit higher and then goes down. This is so cool. This is so cool. You see, I can trade a monthly chart now. This is sick. I'm telling you. This guy is starting a correction in 2 days. Oh, and that's our best buy. That's official. So it didn't, like, it was like, yeah. That would be perfect up thrust, and then just go down. Situation. Yeah, but you forget about Best Buy. No continuation of the trend for Best Buy anymore. It's going to correction. Okay. So, well, that wasn't the balance, so it doesn't matter. So it's like this. It's down but 1-bar rule. It's the biggest volume. That's the bar. So that's the last approach. 104 to 5. And 54. This is bigger. And look how it. Damn. That was the sign of strength. Wasn't at 0.5 at that time. That was the problem then. Then and there. That was a problem. Then and there. Ooh, and that's not what I meant. At all. Interesting. My telegram just collapsed. That's French authorities. You know the telegram? The Pavel Durov was arrested by French authorities. So probably they took his crypto keys to all the cryptography. That's funny. It's such a violation of freedom of speech, I think, in general. It's a big blow for the free world in general. But yeah, I think that French authorities now have all the cryptography of of Telegram messaging. Okay, so this guy goes into correction in 2 days as well. So, and then broke, yeah. DX. Okay, that will be my last one. And then I go to bed. I'll show on this one. This one also, like, it will make so much more sense. And why do we have this thing? You'll see it now. Oh, and you guys, I did something terrible today. I was going to the SAG-AFTRA meeting, and on my way, I bought a bunch of choco pretzels and ate them all. I'll be sick on my stomach tomorrow. Considering how healthy I eat in general. Sometimes I just have to do it. They were calling my name. I have a difficult emotional period in my life right now. I had to eat it up. So this is a previous T2. See what a perfect 0.2 it is? It's just unbelievable. You are unforgettable. You see, so now when I switch over to months, boom, it'll have to be my transition extremum somewhere around here. It's still in the break. This is still. We actually stopped doing the so there is no signs of strength when we interact with the level of the superior time frame. So now I'm just waiting for levels to form. And also daily doesn't make, you see? Now this makes sense. Now this looks more like an exhaustion. Yeah, I actually need monthly levels now. So by the rule, I should stop charging. Do I? It's gonna take me forever though. Well, what was happening here anyways? I need levels here. So technically I shouldn't be touching superior time frame until it gives me level here. But it's gonna take me like forever. Yeah. I think this is not gonna halt. I think it's just gonna reverse here. Okay, this is my new advancement. Um,